Gospel is an advanced AI model system used by Israel's military, the IDF, to generate targets for strikes in Gaza. This technology has been referred to as a mass assassination factory and is likely being showcased for future international sales. The use of Gospel has raised concerns due to the significant increase in the number of targets for strikes in the Palestinian territory. Israel, using an AI-based system called Habsora, the Gospel in English, in the war against Hamas to produce targets at a fast pace. A machine that produces vast amounts of data more effectively than any human and translates it into targets for attack. Gospel uses AI to generate recommendations for troops in the Research Division of Military Intelligence, which then uses them to produce quality targets and passes them on to the IAF to strike. The exact features of Gospel are likely confidential, but it's clear that the system is capable of analyzing vast amounts of data to identify potential targets. This includes not only military installations but also individuals who are deemed a threat. Israel earlier used AI technology in 11-day war in Gaza in May 2021. It is believed that Israel had fought its first AI war using machine learning and advanced computing. In the past, it would produce 50 targets in Gaza per year. Now, this machine produces 100 targets a single day, with 50% of them being attacked. The latest Israel-Hamas war has provided an unprecedented opportunity for the IDF to use such tools in a much wider theatre of operations, and in particular, to deploy an AI target creation platform called the Gospel, which has significantly accelerated a lethal production line of targets that officials have compared to a factory. So Gospel prepare the targets automatically, and military unit work according to a checklist. The use of Gospel in the Israel-Palestine war has been a game changer. The system's ability to quickly and accurately identify targets has significantly increased the IDF's operational efficiency. However, this has also led to an increase in the number of strikes in the Palestinian territory, raising concerns about the potential for increased civilian casualties. While the exact future implementations of Gospel are unknown, it's clear that AI will continue to play a significant role in military operations. As AI technology continues to advance, systems like Gospel will likely become even more accurate and efficient. However, this also raises important ethical questions about the use of AI in warfare, particularly when it comes to the potential for increased civilian casualties. The slowly emerging picture of how Israel's military is harnessing AI comes against a backdrop of growing concerns about the risks posed to civilians as advanced militaries around the world expand the use of complex and opaque automated systems on the battlefield. In conclusion, Gospel represents a significant advancement in the use of AI in warfare. While it has undoubtedly increased the IDF's operational efficiency, it also raises important ethical questions that must be addressed as we continue to integrate AI into our military operations.